What if I told you the world doesn't reward effort? It rewards value. Not how long you tried, not how hard you struggled, just how much you're worth to someone else. That's the brutal truth no one wants to admit. Everything in life breaks down to value, and that's why most people lose. They confuse existence with worth.
Look around. Every transaction, every relationship, every opportunity, it's a value exchange. You're either bringing value or you're consuming it. When you walk into a room, the world silently scans you. Do you create opportunity or drain it? Do you solve problems or add them? Do you make things better or heavier? That judgment decides your pay, your respect, your network, and your freedom. It's not personal, it's math. The market, whether financial, social, or emotional, pays in proportion to the value you bring. Everything else is noise.
Picture two people starting from the same block. Both grind, both dream, both post motivational quotes. One learns to make himself useful. The other keeps shouting he deserves more. 10 years later, one owns the building. The other's still renting belief. Why? Because one became scarce value, discipline, skill, results. The other stayed common. Emotion, excuses, entitlement. Scarcity creates demand. Demand creates leverage. Leverage creates freedom. It's not luck, it's value compounding.
The reason people suffer isn't lack of opportunity, it's inflation of self-importance. They overvalue what they bring and undervalue what others endure to create what they consume. They want to be paid like creators, but they act like consumers. They crave attention more than competence. They talk in opinions instead of outputs. Then they wonder why nobody's buying what they're selling. Because when your value collapses, the world quietly adjusts the price of your attention to zero.
Value is silent. It doesn't beg. It doesn't explain. It proves. It's in how you move, not how you talk. In how you think, not how loud you think you are. The rare ones understand this. They build skills that compound. They make everything they touch worth more. Their presence upgrades the room. Their silence has weight. Their word, interest. Their work, yield. That's luxury. Not brands, but value density. So ask yourself, are you valuable or visible? Because one gets applause, the other gets freedom. The game is simple. Increase your value, or be replaced by someone who did. If this made you think, subscribe for more truth.